So these are the two watches, which both are broken, unfortunately. But I have found an interesting thing in both of these watches, and that is the sensor. Both have one sensor in common. I will show you this sensor, which measures your heart rate, everything. This is a cheap watch. This is a company watch. If you want, I can show you the company name if visible. This is Boat's watch. I don't think so. You are able to see the name, but it's Boat's watch. So this is the sensor. So what we will do, we will check out both the sensors and see what is the huge difference between this poor and this expensive watch. So let's take a look at first expensive one. Okay, quite easy. Don't mix up. So here and one here. So this is the sensor. Now take a close look. This is a sensor hole. There is a thing like a lens. As you can see, I don't know. Look, there is a small reflection. That's whole thing that is measuring. And the rest, this small white dots you are able to see, are just green LEDs which light up when you just connect them. So this is a expensive one. So we keep this aside. Now we will take a look at this basic one. Now let's open this. There is no sensor only. The whole thing is there is no sensor. There is only LEDs. As you can see, these white dots are only LEDs. And if I show you close up, look, they have given this diode sign, which only is an LED logo or something. So the cheap one does not have sensor only. How do it will give you the values? I don't understand. So let's check. Look. So these are the both things you can see, both sensors. One is from this, one is from this pool one. Unfortunately, the display cable of this expensive one is ripped. So I cannot connect this to show you here. But this cheap module will work. Just it will need a battery connection, but the switch is shorted. So I will swap out the sensors next time. I will connect the sensor in this one. And let's see, can this give an exact reading of what we think. So stay tuned for the next video.